Hello friends, today I am going to explain and I will show how to solve the modal analysis of fixed beam of a different mode shapes and natural frequencies. The modulus of elasticity is 200 GPa. The density is 7800 kg per meter. A beam of cross section 0.01 meter and 0.01 meter has a length of 1 meter fixed at both ends. For this given beam, how to find out the natural frequency and mode shapes. Let us start with the ANSYS. Start with preferences, structural, click OK, preprocessor, element type, add, click on beam, either choose 188 element or 189 element, any element, click OK, close, material properties, material models, structural, linear, elastic, isotropic, enter 200 E3 and 0.3 is the Poisson's ratio. Okay, here you enter density 7800, then click OK. Now go for sections, beam, common sections, rectangular shape. Here you enter 0.01 meter, 0.01 meter, click preview, click OK. Now go for modeling, create key point in active CS for node number 1 0, key point number 2 it is 1 meter. Click OK. Now go to lines, straight lines, connect, then cancel. Now after this go for meshing, mesh tool, click on lines, choose, click OK. Here you enter edge length is 0.1 meter, then click OK, then mesh, click on the line, then click OK. Now go for loads, define loads, apply, structural, displacement on nodes, choose both the nodes, node 1 and node 2, then click OK, all degrees of freedom, it is 0, fixed at both ends, and we have to find out the natural frequency of the beam. Now for the analysis solution, analysis type is new analysis, choose modal analysis, click OK, then analysis options, here you type number of mode shapes, either if you want 5 or 10, choose your as you wish. If you want 10 mode shapes, then you can enter 10, click OK. Here you enter frequency range 0 to 10 or 100, anything, click OK. Now go to solve, current load set, click OK. The solution is done. Then go to general post processor, read results first, then first set, go to plot results or deform shape, deform plus undeform, click OK. See, this is the mode shape. If you want to see the animation, go to animate, mode shape, this is the animation for the first mode. Same thing, read results, next set, plot results, deform shape, deform plus undeform. Result summary for all the time and natural frequency. These are the frequency values. Stop this. next mode shape. Click on next mode shape. This is the mode shape number 5. Like this you have to plot the mode shapes. Thank you for watching.